Hello here. Today I will explain the multi-topic format course in Moodle. There is a common confusion between the format of a course and the theme. The theme is the overall look of the site according to the user or administrator's preferences. It includes, for example, color, fonts, and some other style elements. The course format is basically the layout of the content. It means the way how the resources will be displayed. The objectives of this presentation are: identify and explain some differences between course formats in Moodle, define and distinguish the multi-topic format and its functions and features, determine and demonstrate the advantages and effectiveness in terms of functionality and appearance of the multi-topic format. Learn how to change the course format or reverse it without losing content. And finally, practice switching the format of your course by yourself. The function of a course format is to allow layout changes depending on the purpose and audience of a course. Moodle, for example, has two groups of course formats: the standard formats and the contributed formats. Let's start with the standard formats. By default, Moodle comes with four basic formats. They are the weekly format, topics format, social format, and the single activity format. The weekly format is organized week by week, with each section having a date heading. The current week is highlighted. Moodle will create a session for each week of the course. Resources and activities can be added in the section for each week. In the topics format, the course is organized into topic sections that can be customized. For example, you can use the name of the topics instead of numbers. Each topic section consists of activities, resources, and labels. The social forum is all about one main forum list on the main page. It is useful for specific situations or activities like discussions, surveys, or common help and support boards. The number of interventions can be determined by the teacher. The single activity format allows the teacher to add one activity only to the course. When the single activity format is selected, a drop-down menu appears for the teachers to choose the activity they wish to use. Users of Moodle and developers around the world have created a huge support community. They develop plugins, new resources, and tools to help others to improve the performance of the platform or fix some problems. The second group of the formats is an example of this work. We have here the most popular courses created by the Moodle community. The collapse topics, one topic, tiles, topic format by colors, daily, menu topic, grid, and multi-topic. You can create yours. Dare to do it. The multi-topic format presents one section at a time on the page and allows navigation through tabs at the top of the course. Multi-topic has a clear way to organize a topic as a subtopic of another topic. This format is a compilation of the main and effective features of some other formats. For example, the tabbed pages were taken from the one topic format, etc. In the image, you can see the basic settings of the course to set up timed topics, the banner, hide or unhide sections, and so on. As you can see in the picture, the topics are separated by tabs, and each of them can be showed one at a time by clicking on the tab. You can move from one source to another without leaving the main topic. One of the advantages of this format is the user friendliness. Test activities as a student before to display them is a good strategy to realize potential difficulties and avoid stressful situations, both for your students and for yourself. A learning path ensures that the students are working towards an overall goal. It keeps them on track and engaged with the course content. In Moodle, if the activity completion option is enabled by the administrator or the teacher in the course settings, check marks will appear against the activities. The item will automatically be registered as complete once the student has met the specified criteria. This may be viewing a resource, submitting an assignment, posting in a forum, etc. Sometimes the check mark appears in the right side. Remember, our goal is to facilitate learning and overload the students with information. That happens, for example, when we use a weekly format or topics format for long-term courses. Try to help the students to approach learning like a smoothly and fun process. Now here we go. During this practice, try to apply these process tips. Design and develop, analyze and evaluate. First, go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and turn editing on. Click on Edit Course Settings, Course Format, Multitopic. Then go to Course Layout and select Show one section per page. Click on Save and Display on the bottom of the page. It is done. You can reverse the changes following the same steps and selecting the format type of your preference. Well, I hope that this presentation has been useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please contact me by email.
This is a brief demonstration of the multi-topic format, which is being developed at Otago Polytechnic. Whereas most Moodle course formats either present all topics on one page or one topic per page, the multi-topic format allows topics to be grouped in pages as desired. As with the popular one-topic format, tabs are used for navigating between pages. Within pages, topics are initially presented collapsed and can be expanded by clicking on them, as with the collapsed topics format. When a resource or activity is opened, a link is provided to return to the topic that contains it. The standard Moodle features are available for editing topics within a page. Hiding, and showing, moving, and deleting. When editing pages, changes are propagated to contained topics. Hiding a page will hide contained topics. Moving a page will move contained topics with it. Deleting a page is disallowed while there are contained topics. Contained topics must be deleted first. Then the page can be deleted. As with the weekly format, topics can be timed from the course start date. When topics are timed, the page containing the current topic is highlighted, and topic headings specify which week of the year the topic runs in. Sometimes it may be desirable to have resources and activities that aren't assigned to a specific week, such as assignments that students are expected to work on throughout several topics. These can be put into a topic that is set to be untimed. Untimed topics aren't collapsible. They are always shown expanded, since they may be relevant to multiple other topics.